courses that we have here, we can have the capability of selecting a particular course and navigating to the course editor. So this course editor is supposed to show the details about this course, such as all the modules for this course, the lessons, the topics, the widget. So there's a couple ways of doing this. One of the ways that we can handle this is that the course's JSON file could perhaps have other fields here that list all the modules or some more details about other fields in here. So we might have maybe modules, and this might be an array of modules, and this could be, let's see, title. This is one module, so let's say that this is module. And the naming convention I'm going to follow here is that it's the module in course 1 and it's module 1 in that course. We'll probably need the same, we need an ID just like we did for the courses. So this might be 1, 2, 3. Let's copy this, a couple of these. There we go. So we created just a few modules. So this is module 1, 2, this is module 1, 3, and this is maybe 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we have the modules for the course. So that means that now, whenever we navigate to the course editor, perhaps we would like to display here the courses. So let's do that. So in the course editor, right now we're just displaying the course editor right here. So let's now iterate over those particular modules. So let's for instance, we might render them using a class, a UL that renders as a list group, and then iterates over the modules in that course. So this might be course.modules.map, and as it iterates, let's see, we have the course, so this.state.module, so it says this.state.module, that course, sorry, iterates over the module. So if we have the course, and as we iterate over the course, we spit out a line item, also styled as a list group item, and we would just render here. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the module. We're iterating over the module. So this module, there we go, and this displays the module title. And prior, we'll need to add the unique identifier here key to be module.id. There we go. And there we go. So notice that these are displaying the modules for this particular course. If we go back and select some other course, we'll get an exception because there is no module for that particular course, right? So to test this, let's go back to the array of courses. Let's add a couple more modules to the other courses so it doesn't fail. So let's there we go. So we have modules, and we have one-to-many oops, let's see, this is modules. Probably need to close this array. There it is. So that's the array for the modules. And for now, these have no modules, so we'll at least have to provide an empty array for these over here. So this will be modules, and then it's an empty array, so it doesn't crash. There we go. So if we go back, in the course 1, we have modules 1 to 1. Let's go back in module 2. Yeah, I guess we kept the same names. So probably the modules, let's say that this is course 2, module 1. There we go. So we can differentiate. There we go. So if we go back, we select course 1, we have the modules for course 1. If we go back, we click the second course, we have the modules for the different course. If we click on the other ones, there are no modules for those. All right, so that seems to be working fine. Excellent.